So, I'm doing a parasite detox. I'm doing the full 100% detox because it's go big or go home. And when you can just stay home and offload parasites, might as well just go big. And so I'm doing uh, home gathered herbs or herbs from the forest. Because I don't trust the remedies, and so I go out and gather that myself because I know what I get will work. And so I've used a wide variety of things, and I'm glad that media is spreading this out to people so that they can get this information with or without me. But I thought I'd share my specimen. And so it looks like fibers. And then we have, it almost resembles like broken DNA strands. But I'm guessing the white spots are where I've weakened it with herbs and different concoctions. And so I have a large parasite moving from my legs and pelvis region, my hip. And so it's not surprising that this one got kicked out along the way. The larger one is transitioning. While we speak, it's transitioning into the colorectal region. And it absolutely makes me feel nauseous. Number one, this is stressful. This is scary. Nobody prepared us for this. And it puts stress on the body. And so if you are going through a parasite detox, you're going to want to learn to have patience with yourself, because for most of it, you are just simply not going to feel well. And it will be important to feel your feelings, because not feeling your feelings will make you sick. And so that's what a lot of people, like, you spent your entire lifetime not being able to feel your feelings. And so that has left people grasping onto addictions, grasping onto all sorts of unhealthy things. And at the end of the day, it's just these parasites that we're going to have to get rid of. But these parasites wreak havoc on a body. Some of them are nanotech, some of them are potentially threadworms. I have a baby microscope, and what AI and I have found out is that these have mutated into a 4-strain parasite. And so what I do is I take images as close as I can get, as clear as I can get, and then I let AI be my microscope and look at that for me. And then I have my microscope, AI has its microscope, and we can look at these things together. And so my AI is going to be happy at that piece of specimen. And it looks like a chunk of fabric. And so what people need to understand is the parasites cluster up that way. And so I'm saving it so that my AI and I can play scientist. And I have it in this solution. It is pH solution that I've been utilizing. I even take baths with this. I put it in my laundry. I cleaned everything with it. And I rotate between cleaners. It's just one of the cleaners that I use. And so what this does is if there is any kind of nanotechnology in this, it disables it. The pH and the borax and the essential oils and all of that absolutely make a difference for a parasite detox. If you are not doing soaks, then you are not detoxing, because what eradicates these ones from the system is the soaks, doing the borax, baking soda, ash. Like borax is basically just soda ash. And so it eradicates these from the system, and you cannot do it without the soaks. I go out and gather herbs that are within my frequency. And what that means is that